I personally prefer silver and purple, but with the gold, it's really grandeur.
Oh god.
So that's why I kind of like my leaders having the gold.
Yeah.
Thought you was gonna make them kiss then. I was like, you came over so quick.
I love how if someone makes a hasty approach, it must be for a kiss. So
Well-
if someone runs towards you in the street, you're expecting to make out with them or something.
Well, I don't want to get into like the darkness of like the world, but you know, when a man runs at you, you do freak out.
Alright, touche. I only freak out if I forgot to brush my teeth that morning when he's running at me.
So you freak out every morning?
No, I freak out when a man's running at me and I realise I didn't do my teeth, because then what's he going to think?